Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix a storage issue on your iPhone 15 storage. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are saying that their iPhone storage is getting full and they didn't use it very well. So don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this storage issue on your iPhone 15. First of all, you have to check what's taking up space on your iPhone. Simply go to settings, then go to general, tap on iPhone storage to see which apps are and files are taking up the most space on your iPhone. After this, you have to delete unused app. If any app on your iPhone is downloaded and you are not using it and it's unused, then simply try to delete them. For deleting them, simply tap and hold on that app for until the remove app is appear. Simply tap on remove app and tap on delete app and simply delete it. After deleting that unused app and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to offload unused app. Go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and then go to that app which you are not using or the app is unused. Then tap on offload app and simply again tap on offload app and offload that app. After uploading that app in your steps, since there is the same issue, then you have to delete large files and documents from your iPhone storage. After doing this all and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to back up your iPhone and erase it. Back up your iPhone and erase all data by going to settings. Again, then go to general and go to erase all content. Sorry, go tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on erase all content and settings. Tap on continue. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. This will delete all data from your iPhone, so make sure you have backup. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.